But let's move on and let's talk about what's happening with Capri Global, especially given their latest partnership with Union Bank as well as SBI. So let's just try and understand the contours. Rajesh Sharma, the MD, joins in on the show right now. Rajesh, hi, good morning. Good to have you on the show. Elaborate a little bit more about this co-lending pact that you've signed with Union Bank as well as SBI. What are the synergies that come on the table, and what really is the AUM growth that you anticipate?
You. So this is a very strategic, great collaboration with largest bank of the country, State Bank and Union Bank, who also is a very large bank with 9,000 branches. So this partnership is about addressing the credit need of MSME borrowers, where bank is not able to lend them because they do not have adequate income to fulfill some of the criteria they do. So here the low cost fund of bank will flow in through us along with the collection efficiency for ours and origination and underwriting capabilities of these kind of customers. So this is a collaboration between the two organizations to address the need of MSME borrowers. In these loans, 80% fund will be given by the banks, State Bank and Union Bank, and 20% will be invested by us. So this will be very, very ROE accretive. Besides, this will give a deep reach along with these strong partner with us. And once this takes off in a full swing, I think NBFC is a sector whosoever is doing co-lending may not require that large amount of loans for growth. If they are able to maintain their asset quality, I think funds will not be a problem because every time bank will invest 80%. So this is a huge step. Some technological integration will happen, and with that, I am sure the large volume would be possible in this. So this is a very, very great move, and at Capri Global, we intend to capitalize this with achieving a growth of about 22 to 27% in the next 3 to 5 years.
Sure. You've been laying, Rajesh, a very strong focus on MSME growth. Given that MSMEs account now for 50% of your total AUM mix, wanted to understand what your own outlook is on the MSME sector and what are the data points suggesting in terms of, the cash flows returning.
If economy is growing, MSME is the important part and the backbone of the economy. They are a service provider, all large industries. So when the economy growing, service sector is growing, MSME are bound to get more orders, more work, more business, and they will mount to grow. They are cost efficient, small units, run right from tier 3, tier 4 down to the they, in the support system of the large industries. So I believe that MSME, any part of the economy is very important. Talk about India. There are almost 51 million units are there who not the informal class. And that is where we are targeting. If we see even post COVID, the first something has bounced back is the MSME sector. Of course, the COVID has impacted the asset quality and those cases have been restructured. But whether the new stress is building up, answer is no. And MSME is a sector which, because of their efficiency, they will bounce back fast, which have done. Collection trend are showing that. And I clearly see there's a great demand with all the NBFC and whosoever is catering to this MSME sector. And with further impetus of the government and RBI on not only MSME but overall growing the economy, if India has to target the 5 trillion economy, there is no way this sector will not boom. And that is where we are trying to capitalize, and hence we are targeting, as I said, growth of 22 to 27% next 3 to 5 years.